Are your knees cracking every time you stand up? Do your hips ache after a simple walk around the block? If you're over 40 and your joints are slowing you down, you're not alone, and you don't have to live with it. The truth is, joint pain isn't just about getting older. It's about years of wear and tear, inflammation, and the breakdown of the fluids and tissues that keep your joints moving smoothly. That's exactly why JointVive was created. JointVive is a natural supplement made in the USA. No fake fillers, no chemical junk. Just real ingredients backed by science and trusted by thousands. It includes glucosamine to help rebuild cartilage, MSM to reduce inflammation and ease pain, and hyaluronan boosters, the key to keeping your joints cushioned and flexible. That means less grinding, less stiffness, and more freedom to move like yourself again. If you play pickleball, golf, walk the dog, or just want to get out of a chair without wincing, JointVive is for you. People across the country are already seeing results: smoother knees, less pain, and better mornings. And now, you can try it risk-free with a full 180-day money-back guarantee. Click the link in the description to grab your exclusive discount before it's gone. Your joints do a lot for you. It's time to do something for them. Try JointVive today and feel the difference.